Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a vlog. I went on a Halloween mountain lift ride at Sundance Resort and it was a blast. This is the entrance as you're going into the resort. They had a lot of cool stuff for kids. They had several outdoor movie theaters. This one in particular was playing Hotel Transylvania. And then you walk in and they just had like a little corn maze and some things for the kids. But this is the entrance to the lift tickets. It was decorated very cute and the greeters were extremely nice and helpful at pointing out directions and where to go to purchase your lift tickets and where the lift area was. So this is the entrance. This vlog is going to be a little bit shaky, just to let you know. I was really cold and when you first get on the lift, it took me a little bit of adjusting just to get my camera, so bear with me, and the rest of the vlog is just going to be some of the scenes that you see as you're going up the mountain. I didn't vlog too much coming back down, so what you will be seeing is going to be the scenes on the way up the mountain, and this right here is the entrance right before you get onto the lifts. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the vlog.
I need more friends like you. Come on down to the jump friends.
What the heck?
Just one little drop.
Why did you put
That's all it is.
that? Scared me.
Where are you, little boss? Oh, hello. Will you be my new boss? Just one
Please
little
help
boss.
us! Please don't leave us!
6 feet under is much better than 20 feet up. What about you two?
Help me!
The lovely camcorder, I can bop that too.
Please don't leave us!
All it takes is one little hit.
Please help!
I promise she won't miss you at all. That's all it takes.
Please take my spot!
There's your zombies. There's your zombies.
Hello.
Hi.
Anybody up there? Hello? Hello? Hey, do you guys want to hear a joke? All right. Let me try to think. All right, here we go. What's the skeleton's favorite instrument? A trombone. What's the skeleton's least favorite instrument? The organ. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty humorous. All right, I got another one for you guys.
Comedian.
What did the skeleton say as he rode his Harley? Bone to be wild.
Welcome to the Cannibal Cafe. We have rum roast every day. You got a Mary up there? We can have some Bloody Marys.
Welcome to the Cannibal Cafe. I'm Chef Boyardee's Arms and Legs. Where do we eat? We try our best to eat together.
Alright, the limbs are fresh.
That's freedom.
That's right, drop her off.
Welcome to the Cannibal Cafe. We try our best to eat together. You like cow?
You guys see the monkey around here? Thank you.
Oh, there goes my water.
I have another one. Is this your water? You want this?
That's okay.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
What happened over here? I don't even know. He was jumping and he died. I was trying to pull him up.
Free candy. There you go. I think you should go get some free candy.
Sure to tell the clown that.
Good evening.
No.
My name's Bunker. What is your name? Are you happy this night? Will you
come play with me? I wish someone would play with me.
Is that some clowns?
On your way to the insane asylum, I see.
Keep out! They mean it.
And this is towards the end of the lift ride. I didn't vlog too much coming down. I just enjoyed the scenery. It's beautiful as you're coming down. You can see all the lights throughout the mountains and the cabin lights and the decorations. I really enjoyed the view coming down. And this is like, I think this is supposed to be a werewolf. This was lit up on one of the mountain sides. It was pretty cool. But I really enjoyed this, and I hope you guys did too. Sorry this was a little bit shaky. It was a little difficult to film with one hand and ride and hold on to the lift. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, and God bless. Bye.